Hey everyone, it's Mirella Manelli, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this very easy textured style using Kenra Professional's Sugar Beach collection. So stay tuned and check it out. To get started on this textured style I'm going to show you today, I prepared the mannequin's hair with Sugar Beach shampoo and conditioner. So this collection is actually designed to enhance the natural texture of the hair, and it's super hydrated and really easy to comb through, as you can see here. So once we went in with the shampoo and conditioner, I'm now going to prepare her hair with Sugar Beach sun cream. So this is going to give me a nice medium hold, and it's going to also enhance that texture. So what I'm actually going to do here is use a generous amount and just kind of run it through those mids and ends. And you can even comb this product through. And what's great about this cream, actually, you can definitely let it air dry, but for today's purposes, I really want to enhance the natural texture of this mannequin's hair in preparation for a style. So I'm actually going to go in and diffuse this hair. Anytime I'm diffusing the hair, I always set my dryer to high heat and low blow. The reason for that is to allow for the maximum amount of heat so that way I can get the best amount of drying from my diffuser. And then the low blow, of course, is to help maintain any frizz and also to enhance that natural texture that will come through in addition to the support of product. Be sure to take your time during the drying process and hold the hair in place for about 10 to 20 seconds before moving on to the next section. This is also going to help eliminate the amount of frizz and really help structure those natural curls or texture in place. Once the hair was 100% dry, I took a 1-inch wand on medium heat and then randomly took very small sections throughout the top, front, and sides, and really just focused on adding additional texture in a much more neater fashion. So the way that I'm doing this is taking that small section and wrapping one piece towards me and another section away from me. Again, adding to that beachy texture that I'm looking for. I'm also leaving about 2 inches on the ends out because I'm really not looking to curl the hair all the way through, but rather on the interior. My mannequin naturally had a side part, so I just decided where the hair naturally wanted to split, and I clipped that part away. Next, I took Sugar Beach spray and sprayed a generous amount throughout the entire back section. This is just adding more texture and light separation throughout the hair. Next, I'm going to gather the hair all on a low ponytail, and then taking a bungee cord, I'm then going to create my low ponytail. So you just literally clip it onto one side and then support it with your other hand and loop it around and then hook it right on in. Bungee cords are great for securing ponytails without disrupting the hair on the interior. For the front section, I'm actually going to be doing a French fishtail. So I'm going to do this by splitting the front section into two and then grasping each section in the palm of my hand, focusing on taking from the exterior and folding that hair into the interior of the opposite side. And I'm going to continue to do this with my body position towards the back side of her head. That way the braid naturally will fall in the direction and lay in the direction that I want it to. As I move down the braid, I'm also moving my body position further away and towards the back of her, because eventually the braid is going to loop around her ponytail holder. So it's very important for me to pay attention to my body position in addition to this fishtail braid. Once I was complete with the fishtail braid, I took more Sugar Beach spray just for added texture and slight fullness of my fishtail braid and pulled it apart just ever so slightly. I then wrapped the braid right around the bungee cord and then secured it with a bobby pin. If you feel like your braid is being a little lazy on the side, A little trick is to add a bobby pin right into the braid and place the braid exactly where you want it before securing. To finish off the style, I'm taking a little bit more Sugar Beach spray and spraying the ponytail for added texture and fullness, and then also for that light separation towards the top. So if you really want to help define just slightly, you can definitely spray that on and move your fingers throughout the style.
And here's the final textured style using Kenra Professional Sugar Beach collection. So just to recap on the products used for this style, I went in to prepare her hair with Sugar Beach shampoo and conditioner, and on damp hair before the diffuser, I went in with Sugar Beach sun cream for a nice medium hold. And then after I was done styling her with her 1-inch wands, I finished up with Sugar Beach spray, just for a little added texture and some finishing. So I really hope you enjoyed the style tutorial, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, be sure to check out the other tutorials, and until next time.